Hi friends! Are you ready to meet 30 yummy vegetable friends? Let's count them all. 1 is crunchy carrot, 2 is potato, and 3 is onion. 4 is fluffy broccoli, 5 is strong spinach, 6 is sweet peas, 7 is red tomato, 8 is cool cucumber, and 9 is leafy lettuce. 10 is yellow corn, 11 is colorful pepper, 12 is purple eggplant, 13 is big pumpkin, 14 is crunchy cabbage, 15 is white cauliflower, 16 is zucchini, 17 is celery, and 18 is tall asparagus. 19 is mushroom, 20 is radish, and 21 is smelly garlic. 22 is spicy ginger, 23 is hot chili, and 24 is super kale. 25 is long leek, 26 is artichoke, 27 is red beetroot, 28 is sticky okra, 29 is round turnip, and 30 is sweet potato. Wow, 30 veggies! You did great! See you next time!